Come and knock on the door. Come on, guys.
Wings, flap, wings, flap, wings.
Don't wait for it to fall. Don't be lazy. Listen. See that one right there? Whoever gets it in the air first. That's the way to do it. And you with a lot of opinion. How about you take a chill pill?
Flap your wings. Look, all the wings. Wings.
Surrounded by the birds. Come close. I want to see you.
Now when the wings close, look, you open the wings.
You guys won't get close.
So that would stop.
You'll be like, oh my God, it grabbed me. What am I going to do now? What am I
Look, right. This is our right.
Look at that big one.
Wow, they want the big one. You want the big one. No, the wing. You did it.
Look who's over there. Look like a guy hit by a car.
Look.
You guys.
The wing. Flap wings.
Oh, look at that
Flap.
big one.
What?
That one is like black and white.
The big one. Yeah, the big one. I see it. Look, wing. You open the wings. Okay. Okay, see you next time. Have a good day. Come to my home. Come to my